Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about the VIOFO A119M Pro, and here's some footage before we go into other bits and pieces about the unit. Enjoy the video of the sunset. VIOFO A119M Pro. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful dash cam, the VIOFO A119M Pro worth considering. Here's why this model stands out. It's got true 4K video quality. The A119 Pro records in 4K 30 frames using the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, which delivers razor sharp detail. So you're more likely to capture clear license plates and important scene information. Thanks to the STARVIS 2 sensor and HDR processing, this dashcam handles night driving, contrasty lighting, examples tunnels, backlit scenes really well. The A119M Pro features a Wi-Fi 6 that allows faster file transfers, essential when you need to quickly pull off a clip as evidence. There's also a USB-C port for wired access. The built-in quad mode GPS supports 4 satellite systems, giving you precise location, speed and timestamp data for every video. In the firmware version I've got, I actually kept changing the GPS location settings from 10 hours to 12 hours, but there's just been released a new firmware update, so that may not be a problem now. When your car is parked, or do time-lapse recording to save storage, so it just keeps recording constantly. You can also protect the car by setting a shutdown voltage or timer. If you use the ODB2 OP100 device, then you can set the timer between 3 hours, 24 hours and non-stop recording. You can also switch on and off the device, and it will automatically cut the power when it reaches 11.8 volts. Like when the battery drops to 11.8 volts, it will disconnect the dashcam. Controlling the dashcam hands-free with voice commands, start, stop recording, take a photo, or check device status. It even gives spoken feedback via voice prompts. When you want to capture something, lock the video, and the dashcam will automatically record that section and put it in the emergency folder. Other things you can say to it is turn off screen, so if the screen's displayed it'll turn it off. Take photo, takes a photo. Turn on Wi-Fi, it'll automatically turn on the Wi-Fi, you don't have to touch the camera. With a small form factor, A119M Pro mounts directly behind your rearview mirror, so it's not an eyesore or distraction. Pretty stealthy camera. It's quite small. I think it's even smaller than the old A119 version 3, but packs a whole lot more power in it. The camera uses a supercapacitor instead of a battery, making it more resistant to heat and safe for long-term installations in a hot car. The dash cams, I think, are set to switch off at about 60 degrees Celsius to protect the dash cam when their car's parked. Normally when the car's running, they don't shut down. The cameras just keep working, but of course, usually modern cars have air conditioners, so that would help. For the feature set, it offers its 4K dash cam with pro level hardware. Bottom line, the VIOFO A119M Pro strikes a strong balance between image quality, connectivity and practical dash cam safety features. If you want high resolution recording, excellent night performance and a reliable way to document your drives, all in a discreet package, this is a highly compelling option.
Just says input DC 12 to 24 volts, output 5 volts at 3.1 amps max, total of 15.5 watts, two USB-A slots, and the cable that goes with it, USB-A to USB-C, and a filter, CPL filter. Doesn't have nothing written on it. CPL filter to go on here. Alright.